This presentation introduces an application note on soldering recommendations for Power DFN packages. In order to support customers' downsizing programs in many applications, such as automotive, industrial, and telecom, Vishay offers the new Power DFN series in leadless packages, which help to maximize board space, enhance thermal performance, and fulfill automated optical inspection (AOI) requirements. This presentation also explains PCB solder mask design types and general stencil screening rules, as well as the recommended solder paste and reflow soldering process. The actual AOI-capable performance with actual images of DFN 33A and DFN 3820A after reflow soldering are also included. The solderable area of the center pad, as defined by the solder mask, SMD or NSMD, should match the size of the E-pad of the component. The PCB solder LAN design selection is made based on the design rule applied by the customer. Depending on the customer's application, components of different sizes can require more or less solder paste. The stencil thickness may vary. According to the stencil thickness that the user will use, the stencil opening has to be adjusted to use the recommended amount of solder paste. In order to apply an accurate amount of solder paste onto the PCB, laser cut openings with plasma treatment for good release of the solder paste are important features of the stencil. With a proper PCB footprint design, extended on both sides, and right amount of solder paste, a homogeneous solder meniscus will be formed after reflow soldering.